How to play 6-card golf. What you need: one 52-card deck and 2 to 4 players. Setup: each player is dealt 6 cards face down from the deck. Players will now arrange 6 cards into 2 rows of 3. The rest of the cards are now the draw pile, and the top card is turned up to start the discard pile beside it. They can then choose any 2 of those to turn face up. The rest of the cards stay face down. You can't look at them yet. Object: just like golf, the object of this game is to have the lowest point value at the end of the game. In 6-card golf, that's represented by the value of numbered cards you have in your layout at the end of the game. Card values: each ace counts as 1 point. Each numbered card from 3 to 10 scores face value. Jack and queens score 10 points. And then there are 2 special cards: kings and twos. Kings are par or 0 points, and twos are birdies or -2 points. Gameplay: again, the object is to have the lowest number of points in front of you to win this game. To do this, players will try to swap out their high value cards for lower value cards, or pair them up with cards of equal rank to sweep them off the table. The player whose layout has the highest value in the beginning of the game gets to go first. They start by taking 1 card, either from the draw deck or the topmost card of the discard pile. They can either swap this card with one of their 6 cards, including cards face up or face down. If you swap for one of the face down cards, the card swapped remains face up. Your new card goes face up, and your old card goes to the top of the discard pile. Optionally, if you don't like the card you have drawn from the draw pile, you can put it into the discard pile, but you must now flip over one of your face down cards. This goes back and forth with players trying to improve their layouts by adding low value cards from pickups and swapping away higher value cards. But beware, if you take too long, your opponent might force you to end before you're ready. The round ends when one of the players has revealed all 6 of their cards face up. Everyone then gets one last turn, including the player with all of their cards face up. If after this you still have face down cards, you must turn them face up and use them for your final count. No more swapping allowed. All players will then add up their layout and lock it in for the round or hole. 6-card golf is made up of 9 rounds or 9 holes, like in golf. At the end of those 9 holes, the player with the lowest total score is the winner. Would you like a custom playing games scorecard with 6-card golf instructions? Well, you've come to the right place. Find the download link in the description. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video, and we'll call it even. Special move: if at any time you have a column with 2 of the same numbers, you must immediately sweep it away from your layout and put it into the discard, with the next player being able to play just the top one of those. The positive benefit here is now that is worth 0. And remember, this is golf, you want a low score. In this way, you could turn lemons into lemonade if you have a high card in that column, add a second high card of the same value, and you get to sweep them both away. Be careful with stacking 2s though, because you must always eliminate a valid column, meaning that instead of -4 for the 2 2s, you would have 0. Variations: some people play with 2 jokers and assign them special points. I like to add them in as a -3 card, also known as an eagle card. And that's how you play 6-card golf. It's another luck-based game that's incredibly social and fun. Do you play it differently, or do you prefer Skyjo? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. You are great. See you next time on Playing Games.